When a patient first comes to our office, they feel a little self-conscious about the way they look, or they don't want to look people eye to eye. People always think I'm just doing this for cosmetic reasons, but actually it's the restoration of a person. I'm an ocularist, that is someone that fits and fabricates artificial eyes for people. During the surgery to remove your eye, the doctors place an implant in the muscle cone. So we fit a concave, convex shape that sits like a contact lens on the implant. It is an art form. We do everything by hand. First, we take an impression. This gives us an imprint of the exact structures behind the eyelids. Painting is very challenging. Everything starts from a black disc, and everything is painted on top of that. It's very difficult to match the iris color. No two people have the same color. So we'll sit there with a paintbrush and we'll paint different structures, dots, dashes, striations, overlay that with different hues or different saturations of color to give it the three-dimensional effect that we see in people's natural eyes. Part of what makes it look natural is to have the sparkle in your eye. We do that with fine polishing and fine-tuning the curves of the artificial eye. The part I most like about fabricating a prosthesis is when I finished it and I look at it and I see the illusion that I've just created. When somebody loses their eye, sometimes they feel like they've lost part of their self-being. We make them feel whole again and confident to take on the world.